Interlocutor for the Hnlc National Liberation Council (Hnlc), Saronke Bla informed that the peace negotiation between the proscribed outfit and the central and state governments is currently in an informal stage due to the recently concluded Meghalaya Legislative Assembly elections. Bla, who is also the president of the Hnlc National Youth Federation (HNYF), stated that all three parties hoped to end the negotiation on a peaceful note, adding that previous negotiations had been successful. He said this is not the only job of the state government and of the Hnlc, but also of the Union Home Ministry. Sometimes when the state and the Hnlc think that it is okay with things, the central government would want it to happen differently, Bla said. Bla also said that both the state and the central governments are committed and serious to resolve the issue.
Almost 40 years, lajang sa posnam ka struggle ka laya sa bansuele kerkiru yo ka mi pat kanono ka ba mi habdul hagi babun kiliang kamu bangin bu dan lain lanu kan sedang ke ngapain ka adik put min sai hab iban tibi pres hate dala semua babiang ka state government bat ka agency na kaliang ka central government so bampat biang ngomong ka proses dari technicalities hate ka central government ka kuat kumui ka state ka kuat ka hapun wandur kumui tena na kaliang ka sen ka hapun wandur kumui long kita di technicalities ki bang ya ni ya pasang kan penwai anu ni ski bang